Hey everyone, this is a tutorial on how to complete the housing application for rising juniors and seniors for the fall 2022 semester. So you'll first want to log into your housing portal, and once in your housing portal, you should see your dashboard with your photo, your name, your banner ID, and your email address. Then over on the left-hand side, you'll click on Housing Applications, and you should see the housing application for rising juniors and seniors available to you. So you'll go ahead and click that, which will bring you to the 2022-2023 Housing Agreement and Cancellation Policy. You'll want to first read the housing agreement and the cancellation policy, so you can do that on your own time. And again, as a reminder, this housing agreement is binding for the entire 2022-2023 academic year. So once you're completed reading the housing agreement and cancellation policy, you'll want to either enter your full name via typing or by using the signature pad to draw your signature. So you'll go ahead and do that, and then click continue. Then you'll see your personal information. Now, some of this information may be already populated from any previous application that you have completed. So you'll want to just take a moment to review your answers, see if anything has changed based on your experiences, and go ahead and update that information. So then once you take a look through all of your personal preferences, you can continue to update any relevant information. You'll want to make sure your emergency contact information and evacuation information is correct, as well as your primary care information. And then you'll click continue. Now on this next page, you'll be required to input your emergency addresses as well as contacts. So there's a couple important things to remember here. So you'll want to make sure that your primary address is input. So as you can see, there's no information here and it's required. So I'm going to just go ahead and put in my information. And click save. Then down here, you may have information already populated, but you'll want to make sure you have both the emergency contact one, so this can be a parent or guardian, and then you'll also want to make sure that you have a preferred parent or guardian contact. So your preferred parent or guardian contact does not have to be the same person as your emergency contact one. However, that preferred parent or guardian contact does need to be the individual who will receive any communications from our office. So you don't want to put someone like a cousin or an aunt unless they are your parent or guardian. So again, just making sure that you're filling that information out to the best of your ability, and then you'll click continue. Now, as you can see here, I already have some housing preferences, but we're gonna go ahead and remove those for the sake of this tutorial, and you'll go ahead and click your choice number. So you'll want to rank your living request choices from 1 to 3, and then you'll click room types, rising, junior, senior, and then here you can see all of the different room types. So for this example, I want to preference a single with a bathroom. My second choice would be a single in a suite, and then my third choice would be a double. Now, as a reminder, these requests within your housing application are not guaranteed. They're based on availability. So our office will do everything that we can to honor these requests. However, it is subject to availability and are not guaranteed. So once you finish indicating your living requests, you'll go ahead and click continue. And then your application is complete. So you may notice that you do not have the option to select a dining plan as you have in previous applications, and that's normal for this application. You will be able to select a dining plan at a later date. So once the housing application is complete, you will see this confirmation page, and you'll also receive an email stating that your application is complete. Once your application is complete, you can then begin to add roommates, and that's a whole separate process, but you won't be able to select a roommate until you've completed the housing application. So you want to make sure that's complete. You want to make sure you get your confirmation email. And if you have any questions about this process, please do not hesitate to contact the Office of Residence Life at jcureslife@jcu.edu or by calling 216-397-4408.